Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of LoFi channels and the incredible potential they hold for passive income. Before we begin, if you're as excited as we are about this adventure, make sure to click that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. This way, you'll stay in the loop for more exciting content. Now picture this. A YouTube channel with over 13 million subscribers and a single video that's been viewed an astounding 100 million times. What's more, most of their videos consistently rack up over 10 million views. It's not just a one-off phenomenon. Many channels in this specific niche follow a simple formula. They upload straightforward, unedited lo-fi beats against a plain backdrop, all while earning through ad revenue. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a music or video editing expert to embark on a similar journey. Wondering how all of this is possible? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, we'll guide you step by step on creating your very own lo-fi channel with the power of AI. But remember, just having a channel isn't enough. You'll also need to reach that coveted milestone of 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 hours of watch time. It may sound challenging, but fear not. We'll also share a strategy to help you achieve success more quickly. So, stick around and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Let's get started. To begin, let's craft some lo-fi beats. For this task, we'll be using an AI tool called Monetized. It's an AI music creator that's popular among many creators and artists for making various types of music. To start making your own tunes, click on the Generate a Track option. On the next page, you'll be asked to provide some information about the music you want to create. In the text box, you can input your music prompt to generate tunes, or you can pick genres, moods, and activities. Let's kick things off with the genre selection. You've got a wide array of music styles to choose from, and for this demonstration, I'll go with ambient. In the mood section, I'll choose calm. And in the activities category, you'll need to select an activity that resonates with your music. For instance, if you're aiming for some soothing, sleep-inducing tunes, head over to the Sleep Activities tab and choose the sound type. This time, I'm going with nature. Now that we've made our choices for music style, mood, and activities, it's time to decide how long the song should be. Typically, songs are around 45 seconds in length, but let's extend it to 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Once that's done, click the Create Song button. Monetized will need some time to generate the music, so let's proceed quickly during this part, and there you have it. I think this tune is perfect for relaxation or enjoying outdoor activities. I really love this music. To keep it on your device, simply tap the download icon. To do that, you'll need to create an account, which you can do through Google, Facebook, or your email. After setting up your free account, your music will be stored in the download folder. It might take a while to process. Now, let's make a piece of music using a text command. Click on Create a Song and input your text command. I'll use lo-fi and set the length to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's generate the music, and there it is, a fantastic lo-fi beach track. After clicking the download symbol, you can save it. Go to the My Downloads section, where you'll find our first track ready for download. Click on the download icon. Next, we have to provide our channel URL to address any copyright concerns. Enter the URL where you'll upload your music. If you don't have a YouTube channel and are unfamiliar with creating one, follow the next steps. If you already have a channel or know how to create one, you can skip this part. Now, when you get to YouTube, sign up with your Google or Gmail account. Then, choose a channel name and a unique YouTube handle. If you already have a name in mind, that's great. Otherwise, ChatGPT can provide name suggestions. Ask for some name suggestions related to your channel like, GPT, give me 10 name suggestions for my channel. After completing these steps, click on Create Channel. Once that's done, you'll see your newly created channel. Click on Customize Channel, and from there, navigate to the Basic Info tab. Here, you'll need to add a channel description. I'll ask ChatGPT to write a channel description for us. Create a logo and banner for your channel. To do this, use Canva. After logging into your Canva account, click on Create a Design and select YouTube channel logo. You can either search for a music channel logo in the template library or create one yourself. Go to the Elements tab and select Generate Your Own. Input the text prompt, like Music Wave logo and your channel name. Canva AI will produce 4 images for you. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate them. After selecting the logo image, add a text template and insert your channel name. Customize the text font and color to make it stand out. Once everything is set, download the logo in JPG format. Your logo is ready. Now let's work on the channel banner. Go back to the Canva homepage, click on Create a Design, and search for a YouTube channel banner. This time, you can use a pre-made template and customize it as you did with the logo. Once you've selected your design, add your channel name, and feel free to adjust the color and font to your liking. After all is set, download the image. Great, we've chosen our channel name and created a logo and channel banner. Now let's customize the YouTube channel. Start by inputting the channel name and the description we generated earlier into YouTube. Let's start by going to the branding section. Here you can change your channel's logo and banner. Begin by selecting Picture and clicking the Upload button. Upload your logo image. Then proceed to the banner image option and upload the banner image. Use the logo as a watermark on the banner. When everything is ready, click Publish to make your new channel live. Once your channel is published, copy the channel link and paste it into Moobert. Then, click Continue. Next, hit Agree and download. Your music track will be automatically saved on your device. The first music track is now downloaded. To get the second one, click on Track 2's download icon, agree, and download. Now our channel and music are ready, but we can't upload the music directly. We need to create a video with this music. To make a video like this, you'll need an image. You can generate one using any image generator. I'll use Leonardo AI because it's free. Once on Leonardo AI, choose Dreamshaper V7 as your model. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and provide a prompt. If you're not sure about link prompts, you can generate them using the prompt generation tool. Enter your idea, and Leonardo will offer prompts. Pick one and click Generate. If you don't like the image, try another prompt or edit the existing one. When you're satisfied, download the image. Now your image is ready. Let's create a video using CapCut, a free and available online tool. If you're new to CapCut, create a free account. Afterward, select Create a new project. Upload your image and audio file. Drag the audio into the timeline and insert the image. Adjust the image's duration to match the audio. Add some effects and filters for a stunning video. Once it's set, export the video and download it. Your music video is now complete and can be uploaded to your channel. Don't forget to provide a suitable name, description, tags, and an eye-catching thumbnail when uploading the video. Now, let's discuss how to achieve success on YouTube quickly. You may have noticed that live music videos tend to get lots of views and watch time. You can speed up your journey to success by going live. There are platforms like OBS Studio and StreamYard that support YouTube live streaming. Personally, I use OBS Studio. If you'd like more information on live streaming, please let me know in the comments, and I'll create a separate video on the topic. Now, let's move on to the second approach. Avoid using only one piece of music in your videos. Instead, aim for longer videos, around 2 to 3 hours long. You'll notice that all the videos on this channel are over an hour, so making lengthier content is important. Alright folks, there are some important things we need to talk about. Moobert AI has a free trial, but it limits you to generating just 25 tracks each month, and you need to give credit. In the Pro version, you get a commercial license and can create 500 tracks monthly, which is a great deal. However, if you're unsure about spending money initially, you can participate in the Moobert AI affiliate program. Just click Become an Affiliate here, fill out the form with your name and email, and you'll get a unique link. Share this link in your YouTube video descriptions, and if someone signs up for Moobert AI through your link, you'll earn a commission. Once you've earned enough, you can buy the Pro plan. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey of creating your very own LoFi channel with the help of AI. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring, but we're not done yet. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with AI-driven content creation. Share your questions, ideas, or success stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials, tips, and creative insights. Remember, be wealthy. Bye.